Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 23, putting a 302 and a C4, C5 trans into a 67 Falcon. Today I'm going to finalize some of the hookups. And I just, before I turn the camera on, hooked up my vacuum modulator, because when I was running yesterday, I had a big vacuum leak there. I was idling higher. And I want to make sure that my shifter detents line with my shifter. So when it's, in drive on the transits, the shifter follows and stuff like that. I got to jack the car up, crawl under there to do that. I have the shifter and the trans in neutral. Now I need to get to the shifter back here. I'm going to pull the cotter pin out without moving anything. Okay, now I'm going to pull the shifter out of the bracket, make sure it goes in there. Oh, well, this is kind of a moot point, because the shifter does just flop around. There is no detent in the shifter. The detent comes from the trans. So that's neutral, reverse, park. So neutral. See, now the thing I see in drive, my shift lever, if I bring you guys over here, mechanism's actually hitting a tunnel. The shifter rod and bracket are hitting the tunnel and drive, rubbing on it, so that might not be letting it go fully into drive. So I need to bend that lever away from the tunnel, because it felt kind of weird when I was shifting it. And I thought maybe the detents are off with the shifter, but that's got to be the problem right there. I'll fix it. All right, what I did is combination things. I dented the tunnel and bent that rod out. So now there's clearance. It feels fine moving from gear to gear. So I think that issue with the shifter feeling funny in drive is solved. I'm going to try a little test ride here. I do have reverse. Drive. You gotta be kidding me. No third. There's first. Second. No third yet. Going 50 miles an hour. 3,800 RPM. Still no third. No sense going any further. Head back home. What am I doing wrong, people? No, I got reverse, but before no third gear, I pulled. What I do? Pull the valve body out, check stuff, put it back in. Still no third. Now I got a different transmission, different valve body. No third. Trying to think if I mixed and matched parts, putting this together. I don't think I did. I think I used the C5 clutch packs. May have put the discs into the C5 clutch packs from my C4. I'm pretty sure I used the clutch shell and mechanism from the C5. Is it a coincidence the C5 didn't have third gear and me rebuilding it didn't fix it? So there's still no third? I don't know. Suppose the other thing I can check is the kick down. My kick down took to the carburetor, maybe it's pulling on the lever and not letting it go into third. I don't know. I don't like the way it's running on 7 cylinders either. I feel it shaking. I better check my trans fluid here now that it's warmed up. Alright, I checked all the plugs. There may have been a plug wire or two that was loose. And I went through and redid valve lash. And it seems to be running better now. But the trans just isn't working. Just went for another ride. What am I doing wrong, folks? Are there any trans people out there, transmission people, that are familiar with C4, C5 transmissions? Because it doesn't have third. It's got manual first and second. And you put it in drive, stays in second gear. I can take off in drive, it'll shift first to second, stays in second, will not go into third. And I went up to like 60 miles an hour, over 4,000 RPM, cruising along, trying to let it shift into third. Wouldn't go, it just stayed in second. I took the shifter and kind of moved it like forward and backwards from the drive position, thinking maybe wasn't lined up correctly inside the trans. No third gear. So what am I doing wrong, folks? Please let me know, either in the comments or just send me an email, dansmessygarage@gmail.com. But this is going to be the end of part 22, putting a 302 and a C4 C5 into a 67 Falcon. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel and let me know what I'm doing wrong. Bye.